Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and this is the fourth class of the cryptocurrency course. And today I come up with an interesting topic. It is little advanced topic, not for beginners, but beginners can also watch. It's for the advanced traders. So let me show you what is called the heat map. Today we are going to understand how we can trade using the heat map. Okay, it shows, I'm gonna put up the link under the description of the video, and you will get to know how you can combine your analysis with the heat map and to make your trading more easy and more effective. Now this is a website called tradinglight.com. okay, now I'm gonna give you the practical examples rather than explaining this. Okay, just to show you, I'm gonna read out just these 3 lines. Heat map is a visual representation of the limit orders, the orders you put, okay, orders you see on the Binance or any other exchange. Okay, basically put into the order book. Basically heat map shows us the order book, okay, the orders which have been put up into the order book. Okay, there might be huge orders like at we're gonna understand this in more detail. Just bear with me. On the right side of the vertical timeline you can see the current axis, current order book. On the left side we see the position of the order book in the past. Okay, so I'm gonna put up the link in the description. Now let's move to the article. What is it? Let's move to the practical examples. Let me show you the tradinglight.com. okay, I'm gonna combine it with tradingview.com. okay, tradingview.com is a charting website where you can put up the charts, where you do the all the analysis, technical analysis. Now I discovered the technique of heat map, combining it with tradingview.com. I saw that these levels, for example, for today's example, I'm gonna show the Bitcoin USDT pair on the Binance. Okay guys, this is for the Binance of the Bitcoin USDT pair. Now tradinglight.com has a premium plan, but I am free users, that's why the maximum amount of time I can get is 1 hour. Okay, so I'm gonna put up 1 hour here. All you have to do is sign up just like any other website. Sign up here, and just like on the trading.com, go to the 1 hour chart. Okay, first you have to put up the draw all the support and resistance levels. For now I have taken this area of support, and let me show you this one, the area here 45,000, and this one, this level was drawn on a daily. Okay, this is a daily level. Okay, this is a daily level which I drawn few days ago. So it is acting like a support level. Whenever the price is above the area of 45,136 to 44,805, the this area is acting as a support level. So if I go to the this website again, you see these levels, these bars. Just take a look at these bars. Okay, on the top side of this website you're gonna see a slider. Okay, when I move the slider towards the right side, towards the 100%, like this one, you can see here, if I show you this one. Okay, this is a slider. Okay, this is a slider. If I move it towards the right side, you're gonna see noise is reduced. Okay, you see the noise, there was a noise. Now if I move this chart towards the left side, you're gonna see all the chart is a bit noisy right now, with all the horizontal lines. So I'm gonna make sure to extend it towards approximately maybe 30% would be a good area where you can see huge orders like this one, like this yellow line. You can see at this yellow line we had 216 Bitcoin orders. It means that this area up to this area, this is acting as a resistance. This acted as a resistance because there were a lot of buyers around the area. There were a lot of buyers around this area. So this area, if I mark this zone let me show you with the help of the pencil tool. Let me show you this one. Okay, this line, this is the area of approximately, you can see on the right side, what is it, the area 45,000. so at 45,000 we have lot of orders. We had the lot of orders, and now again today, if we see this candle which is in the formation right now, you can see the candle which is in formation, we still have a lot of orders today at this area. Let me show you this one at 45,000. just let it let me zoom in here. You can see here. Now if we take a look at the orders, the order book is let me draw again here. I think it's not showing, but let me show you on this tradingview.com. when you just try to analyze, just try to look, whenever the price reaches, okay, whenever the price reached at this level, we had a rejection, we had a rejection, we had a rejection. You see here, this also tried to reject from this level. This is a 1 hour chart. Again, if I show you the price level in between 45,000 to 44,000, if I go back here, you can see here 45,000, you see 900 BTC order. So someone have put up a buying order around this level 45,000. you can see here again in between this area. So it shows that this is a strong spot. This is a strong spot. 45,000 912 BTC is a huge order, guys. That's huge. So this order, this area cannot be breached unless this order is filled, and that is too much amount, guys. So that is how you can get to know the areas where you can do the scalping. Okay, you can do the scalping. You can get that idea that whenever the price reaches to this level, you can easily buy around this area. Why? Because you got the insights, the order book. You have got the order book at this area, you see here. So this area is a strong area. Now let me show you with the help of the candles as well. If you let me show you here. Now what I'm going to show you is the volume bars and their corresponding candles. Okay, just take a look at the corresponding candles with the volume bar. Now look at here at this area. When you look on the downside, we saw spike in the volume. If I go back further, you see the volume was low here, the volume was low here, but wherever the price reached here, we saw a spike in the volume. Then if we go back again, you saw this wick down and we saw a spike in the volume. Again at this area, whenever the price reached this area, this region, this zone, there again came the volume again rised. Okay, if I go back again, whenever the price reached here, we saw a spike, okay. So with the help of this heat map, you can easily analyze the areas. Okay, you can easily analyze the areas. Where is the support? It shows you the strong support levels. If I further if I drag the slider towards the 0, towards the 100, you're gonna see the huge orders, only those orders which are huge. Okay, so here currently we have a huge order of 900 at 45,000. So we might going to see move down to 45,000 today. Maybe this is a 1 hour chart. If I further go down, then we have a 336 Bitcoin of orders at 44,000. If I zoom out again, and right now this is the only order which I have seen. And on the upside, if I zoom in, you see we don't have the sell order right now. But if I zoom out, you can see here we have a resistance at this area, might be this one 55, and that is a very weak resistance. It can break, but there is not a lot of volume, but the volume is on the downside. Okay, try to understand what is my theory behind this. And here you can go to the Binance. here on the left side you're gonna see the exchanges: Bitfinex, Bitstamp, Binance, and all other top tier exchanges, and you can see their pairs. For example, if I go to like BNB, let's look at the BNB here. This is the BNB chart, and what else do we have? ETC. Okay, if I go to tradingview.com again, and let's take a look at the BNB chart. Did we put the analysis of this area here on the 1 hour chart? So on the 1 hour chart, I have to look for the areas. Now this map is getting loaded. We have to wait, and let me make it clear. Now this is the chart of BNB on 1 hour chart. Okay, 1 hour time frame with the heat map. Now what the heat map is showing us, and on the right side guys, you're gonna see the volume profile as well. This is very important. I'm gonna make a video on that in the future as well. But here what we see that there is a buying order of approximately 2,800 BNBs at 415. So 415 might act as a support level. On the downside, if you move further down, we can see that we have some level of support at 405 and 399. So with the help of these heat map, and with the levels you draw on the 1 hour, 4 hour chart on the trading view, you can easily get to know where the support is heading. Okay, where is the support? Now it shows that we have a strong support at 400. Now let me show you why it is acting as a support. If we draw the levels here, let me show you. This is a swing low candle, guys. This is the first swing low candle. We saw this one rejection, we saw this one rejection. Okay, we have a rejection and accumulation at this zone, and this is the zone right on 400, guys. Just take a look at yourself. I'm not gonna lie. Let me show you here what it shows you. What it is showing you, $400. So easily we can spot the orders, we can spot the the support level. Here we have a strong support at this area. Okay, if I move out, making it very less, around 28%, you can see we have a support here. Then if we move further, we have a support at 397, and if I combined it with the 397, we have to look for 397. Why? Now here you can see this is a swing low candle. Okay, I'm gonna draw a level around here, approximately here. Now let me show you again. What do you see? 378, and if I go back, this is the area of 390, 378, 379. So easily you can see this. You can spot which levels are stronger. Okay, which levels are stronger and which levels are weaker. Okay, so this is the best way you can easily spot the support levels, resistance levels with the help of OrderBook heat map. I think the video has gotten long, but it was necessary for you to get you educated about the heat map and the OrderBook. So I'm gonna put up the links under the description of the video so you can read out this article of heat map. I went for to explain this heat map in practical terms, and you have seen that. Now all you have to do is to practice it, and you will get to know how it works. Okay, it's gonna make your trading much more effective. Okay, you can easily spot the levels, you can easily spot the order books. Okay, sometimes there are hidden orders. You can easily spot those hidden orders through the tradinglight.com. I'm not a promoter of this website, I'm using it as a free, but this website has got a lot of tools and it's very good heat map and order book. So that's it, guys. That was it from my side. If you got anything from this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video so that other guys can also get to know, also can educate themselves and learn this technique of trading. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. Bye.